Om Sai Ram. Good morning to you, my dear one. This is the time when everything is working in your favor. So be sure to utilize your time well. Surrender your doubts and challenges to me. Be courageous. Be confident. Your every step will turn into success. Let the humanity within you shine brighter. All the gods and goddesses are with you. I am always with you. May you have a blessed day. Sarvam Sai Mayam. Jai Sai Ram.